Hi, today we're going to take down box and review at Transformers BOTBOTS, made by Hasbro. This is Series 1, there's 24 to collect in Series 1. So these are the blind boxes. As you can see, 2 modes on Transformers BOTBOTS. Series 1, 24 in all to collect, made by Hasbro. There's the authentic, official licensed, Transformer logo thing. So, yeah. TransformersBotBots.com, link down below in the description there. So yeah, here's how to open the package. Just, peel it open, turn it over, push it out. Real simple and easy. Now, they only have about 2 commercials for these out. The commercials are actually pretty cool and they got kind of a catchy theme song. Although, unfortunately, no anime yet. No, official anime. Which is boo on bummer side. But yeah. Now, if they did do an anime, they'd probably do it, like Transformers was the B Team, Transformers Cyberverse, Transformers WeskerBots Academy. I don't think they'll do Transformers the anime series. I don't think they'll do that type of artwork style. Definitely they won't do Transformers Prime or Prime Beast Hunters or Predacons Rising. They won't do it like that. Obviously they're not going to do like the G1 style, which, yeah, obviously. But if they did kind of how they did in the commercials, that would be great. How big these guys would be? Probably around the size of a mini-con. Hopefully they won't have them as the mini-cons for like Transformers Armada. Hopefully, their range varies in size due to, what they are. So if they're like a shoe would be bigger than a pencil, obviously. And, so forth and so on and stuff. But yeah, hopefully, like I said, if they do like a mini-con size somewhat comparison, hopefully they speak, perfect English and not speaking beeps and bops and boobs like R2D2 Weejet. Well, actually, that'd be better than R2D2, but you know what I mean. So yeah, anyway, before my camera battery dies, let's open this one up, just like that. I like to tear this little perforation that they have going on here, and squeeze it out and see who we got. Ooh, someone new. Cool. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So let's say a little chest sheet, and each chest sheet is different for each blind one. Here's, the whole checklist. And who did we get? We got Tomas Medity, low one, full star. Let's see what his little thing says. Hipster messenger bait. So I guess it's a messenger bait. Oh yeah, it is. Cool. So his instructions are pull up on the head. So pull up like that. There's his head. Pull out his shoulders. I guess we can move them around like that. And swing out his legs. So his legs just unfold from right there. Which I know it's a lot of these. The legs are the stiffest part on these things. But yeah, not that much room. I mean, this one can do a 360, arm rotation. But pretty cool, pretty cool. Little fitter. But yeah, as you can see, there's the straps and stuff for the backpack mode. Or messenger bag, as they're calling it. But yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot. He's part of the backpack bunch. So that's what gang he belongs to, backpack bunch.